Sanibonani ngegama nguThulani kaSikhwinyane yimi ifounder yeThembisa Soup Kitchen ebase lana eGcaca. Siqale nge-first week kaJuly. Remember by that time ikolo besavaliwe, so we saw ukuthi abantwana in most cases abadlala they need something to eat, and I think kumnandi abadlala as a collective endaweni one labadlala khona, so we thought ukuthi sisenze Soup Kitchen just to support umphakathi wethu. Remember, if God has been good to you, now mele uzame ukuthi uyenzele nabanye abantu, so that is what motivated kakhulu ama-Jimbos la ahlala phana eAromet ba close to my heart ama-Jimbos. So ngiyazi ukuthi at some point ba struggle ngento yokugawula yabona, so that is why we said no, let's do this thing. Currently we've got two, which is iHanyisa Wellness plus Ned Gavin eka-Gave. Umngani wami akadumanga ngokuthengisa nje kuphela utshwala, so uyakwazi ukusiza lapho nalapho. So those are the two people that I'm working with. Awufuna ukudonate, usually we don't want imali. You buy izinto, you bring to us, especially ama-veggie, ama-fruits, then you can call me ukuthi ngikunikeze more information ukuthi yini esingayidinga kakhulu, but imali in most cases asifuni ukuthi umuntu alethe imali. Besithanda ukuthi siyenze each and every week, but amandla kwesinye isikhathi ayabhayizisa, so we planned ukuthi sizoyenza every second week. So njengoba ngabe uyiluzile kule viki leli sesibona kulela viki leli sizojumpa leli seya kulo bese kulelane iviki elandelayo. I think iviki kuzobe kuyi-15 sizohosta nge-15.
Yes.
As it's always a success, and numbers keeps on growing because of manje. The plan is to make sure ukuthi we cook enough food ezokwazi ukuthi cater nabantu abadala kakhulu. Bakhona abantu abadala, but ifocus yethu kakhulu bekwe abantwana. So right now we want it to be bigger and bigger. And ngiyabonga kakhulu kulama sponsors wama-2 enginawo. Ngithi relationship ayiphambili nalabo abafunayo nabo bangangena. We've also sent proposals to ama-shop lawa amakhulu abo fruit and veggie. Yayibona sisazoqhubeka sibone ukuthi bangasisiza kuphi.
Alright, Mtala, siyabonga, and then we wish you all the best.
Hayi ngiyabonga nami, ngibonga kakhulu.